Alright, so when I move the motors or the extruder front and back, it makes smooth noises. But if I go to right or left, and my z-axis is fine as well. It's only the x-axis that's giving me the problems. It's just really loud cranky noise. Don't know where it's from. I just did the stepper motor. Just fix it back up to where it's supposed to be. Tell me guys what you guys think of how to fix this problem. Thanks.